I wanted to make this video because I've been feeling some slop in my steering wheel like this, and I saw a video that was done by a guy named Nathan on YouTube. He was showing how to take off the slop on a UK version Pajero, and I wanted to give it a try. So you can, I'm moving it, and you can see how the tire's not even budging a little. I don't know if you can see it, but like it's not even turning. So there's that much slop in the wheel, and the wheels are not even turning. So the video explains, I researched it a little bit, and it can be done on other vehicles too. So you're pretty much kind of like taking out the wear of the power steering. So that's where the rack meets, right there. Your rack goes into there. So the videos that I've seen, the research that I've done, pretty much explains to, there's a 17mm nut right there. As you can see, right next to that flathead, there's a 17mm nut. You just loosen that up slightly, and you turn the flathead without turning the nut clockwise, I believe, and tighten it back up, and you kind of go on from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try and see how it goes for me. After adjusting and playing with that, there were some improvements. I forgot to take a video of it earlier, but I just remembered it. But hopefully, you can see it. There's definitely improvement. Like there was so much slop in the steering wheel earlier, and I'm probably gonna after I do a test drive on it, hopefully it kind of minimizes that. But there's definitely like half of the slop is gone. Like there's that much slop left into it. And what while I was doing it, like I was trying to tighten it as much as I could, but then I think it kind of maxed out. Or the previous owner tried this, and they kind of almost maxed it out, and then I kind of maxed it out now. Because when I loosened it up, I remember I wasn't able to tighten it anymore. Like that was the maximum that I could tighten it up. That little screw or that flathead thing, and I guess since it's already maxed out, there's no way to max out other than the next option would be the new power steering box. But I need to do some more research into that. But yeah, definitely give it a try if you have that steering wheel slop. I've seen plenty of videos on YouTube, and this guy named Niraj did it on his Pajero, UK-based Pajero, that I'm guessing with the turbo on it. So I decided to give it a try, and it worked out great. Yeah.